Kaikane here. How are you? Today I'm going to talk about the best types of private students to have relationships with for male teachers. First off, rich and single female students aged 21 to 55. They have cash and are looking for fun. Middle class single female students aged 21 to 55. They have some cash and are also looking for fun. Next, married female students aged 21 to 55. They have cash and are also looking for fun and require nice, intimate encounters. But do be careful if you are having a relationship with a married lady abroad. Keep your heads up. Next, single or married MILFs, late 20s to 50s. They have cash, are looking for fun, and of course require nice and intimate encounters. Or any female student who has a high level, high class, and elite profession, such as a pilot, government officer, doctor, actress, model, porno star, business owner, and or anything else financially related. Also, gentlemen, anyone on anything that you think is an elite job that pays well is also fine. You should do your absolute best to make them attracted to you, simply so that not only you can have a relationship with them, but also retain them, okay? Even if you don't want to have relationships with them, you can still do your best to retain them, okay? Keep them under your spell of seduction and attraction. As long as you look your best and are the best, you will always be the best, and you will always have a shitload of students. Don't forget that, okay? Therefore, you should do your absolute best to make them attracted to you, simply so that you can retain them and get them booked and hooked. Who knows what the future holds, but I can tell you from experience that it always is a pleasure of having high-level, high-class, and elite female English students, because they always seem to have many tricks up their sleeves. Not to mention they pay very well, and they are always long-term students. But be careful. And keep in mind what I said before in my previous videos about having relationships with your students, okay? As long as they are happy, you are happy, then everyone is happy. Not to mention having an elite student who can be your sugar mama is pretty much like a dream come true. It's happened to me many times. It still does to this day. But always be careful when mixing business with pleasure. That's all I'm going to say, okay? Well, everyone, that's a wrap for today. Off to my weekend group of students to a movie day treat, something that I do every time they pay, a great way of buttering them up to make them all feel happy. Be sure to check out my website, guys and gals, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, and where the best places on earth are to move to teach English overseas, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out on your journey of getting rich teaching English abroad. Have a lovely day and stay tuned for more awesome vids. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.